And as you mentioned early on, I jumped at the chance to attend the M21 session in New York, and it was a foundational moment in my understanding of the full potential of these systems.
No, that's excellent. So I was wondering in what way.
Just being able to appreciate the fact that here was something that made sense to me. You know, I'm looking at the market, I bought all the courses, I was able to understand them and then say, okay, I can adapt those to me.
Oh, right.
I can make this work for me.
Right. Instead of saying, I just want to follow somebody else's directions, I can adapt these to something that works with me.
Yes.
Yeah, that's excellent.
Yeah. And then I also attended the APM Squared and the Ultimate Trader workshops. I sadly missed Hawaii.
Missed you too.
Well, I would have loved to have been there. I heard it was great.
We had a great time.
Of course, all of your seminars are great. What am I saying?
Thank you.